Alright, so this is a baking soda vinegar bottle.
Man, dude, I don't even know
Kind of like a bottle rocket. Okay, now. No.
This way. Hopefully it works.
Jordan.
George, let it stand up. Let it stand up. It's good.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna wait. Dude, make it stand up.
Dude, oh my. Oh, Jordan.
Is it working? Huh? Is it tight?
Why you boys messing with that thing? Never mind. What? You guys come here and they leave doors here.
It needs to explode.
That didn't even work.
I didn't close the cap. This is my 5th time trying it.
He's a stunt man, cameraman. He's a stunt cameraman.
Who told you guys that works?
We looked it up.
The guy said the dude said he hasn't even
Jordan
tried.
and your YouTube.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, yeah. I did. Yeah. Finally. Yeah.
We're doing that again.
Wait. Stop. Look. This is what it looks like. There you go.
You're in the